have to prepare the accounts for Matt, for example. I have a one account here, so you should copy the ID after. After decide the ID. And we paste to a notepad file and put a straight cross to differentiate between the TikTok ID and the password, and we enter the password of this account. For example here. Okay, and next step, open MKT TikPro software. Click on Account Management. And first we add category. Category mean the category that classify all your account. Enter the category name. Maybe, for example, a TikTok account. So one, and we select the plus sign to add the category. Next we choose Add Account and copy the account format that we have prepared before. And we select the category. We have created TikTok account 1 and we select Format ID, TikTok and password. You could enter many account here. Each account format will be aligned, for example. Okay, it's true again. I did TikTok and pass. You see we have two account here and we press save. Okay, to save the account in the software now. Okay. You could tick on the category and load. We will have two account here. And the next step you should do is do the right click. Select the account and do the right click Login TikTok to log in. The account on the browser of the software. Okay. And so after you have added and log into all the account in MKT TikPro, we move to use upload video functions. First, the number of simultaneous thread mean the number of account running at the same times. It depend on your computer's configuration. If your computer's configuration is strong like my PC, you could run a 20 thread at one times, or I said to 10 threads. I mean 10 account running at the same time posting video. And next each account post up to means the number of video each account will post per time run. For example, I could set it from 1 to 1. Video means each account will post one video at a one-time run. With interval between two actions, you could set it from 15 to 20 seconds and switch account. If continued error, you could set to 3 times OK. So next step is choose the video. Okay, we have a 2 configuration. First is general configuration for all cows. Mean of your cow will post these video. Click on general configuration and we select video photo. Choose the photo that contain video on your PC. Okay, wait me some minutes, I'm here. Okay, I want to post this video little things. We select photo, okay, sorry. Okay, we select photo, Okay, we select the photo, and we could have 2 ways of generate the description of the video. First, we could select content from file. We create a description file on your PC. We'll create a text document file and description. Okay, and we will create a description with a spin structure like for more or. Okay, you could import all your Video's description here with a spin structure like Content 1. A straight cross Content 2, and we press Save to save the file. OK, and back to the software we click on Select Description File, and we choose the file that we have created like description. OK. Is there the first way? Or you could like modify the description for each account. Or for each video by do the double click on the description, and we could enter the description directly here. Maybe in thing video, yeah. Or something like that, or like for more. Yeah, and so after you have conflate the video and please choose the video that you want to post. Or maybe I want to post this night video. Do right-click select and we save. Okay, this is the general video configuration. In case you want to post the different video between your account, you could turn it off, and we have the configuration for each account specifically. With the same step like general video configuration. Okay, we select the video folder. Here and press save, OK. And now with the other account is like that. OK. You could see the number of video for each account will appear here. OK, with the video, waiting times, it depend on your video's length and is big or not so, the video running times. I will set it from like 30 to like 50 seconds if my video is and like a nostril, so a network connecting. So we could add hot dog with the video by tick on hot dog. And we enter hot dog here on hot dog live. For example, viral for you page, we press CTRLS to save to the software. OK. You could see the host that we enter here. And with the video that you uploading, you could like tag other user, TikTok user to this video. We could click on tag video and set the number of TikTok account you want to tag to your video. And you could like tag the user from list. We enter the TikTok ID list here. Each ID below, for example a BC23 a BC. Okay, I will tag the 2 people here. Or you could select from the friends list that we tag the account. That be a friends of your account. And I could change the video music randomly. Means if you take here, the software will like change. Will add a music randomly on your video. We could suggest add music by suggestion or the favorites list of the account. And with interact after posting is allow your account will like or comment on the video that has just published. You could enter a comment here with the spin structures like for more or a direct message me for. Information. OK, and we press save. Then when we finish the configuration, please load the account. Take all the account and press start to begin uploading the video in MKT TikPro software. That's all about how we add the account and post video with MKT TikPro software. Hope you guys enjoy my video and see you in our next video.